Healing doesn't mean forgetting. Hindi ibig sabihin na kapag wala na ang sakit o nabura na ang mga pangyayaring bumago sa'yo, ay healed ka na. Healing is choosing peace kahit may mga alaala pa rin kumakatok paminsan-minsan. It is the quiet decision to stop letting the past dictate your reactions, dictate your choices, and the way you see yourself. Healing is when the memory stays, but the pain has no power over you. It's when you can look back without collapsing, remembering without reopening the wound, and breathing without feeling the weight of what made you cry hard. Hindi mo kailangang kalimutan ang nangyari para gumaling. Kailangan mo lang tanggapin na hindi ito ang magdi-define ng present mo at lalo ng future mo. Healing doesn't mean forgetting. It means finally being able to move forward with strength, clarity, and a heart that knows it deserves better days ahead.